What is Forex? Forex. What is Forex? Forex. 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 What is Forex? Forex? Is it like Forex? Is that like stocks? Oh, Forex. That's that scam. So what is it, right? What the hell is these charts behind me? What the hell is Forex and how do we make money from it? Well, let's dive into it.
I swear none of you niggas is trading. None of you niggas is trading though. I do not trap, nigga, I trade. I'm on my ass and still getting paid. I'm rich on these pips, nigga self-made. You was 30 put in pain. I'm hitting CP. That's every.
What the hell is Forex? Oh, Forex is foreign exchange, right? So let's imagine that we have this guy named Johnny, right? So Johnny decided that he wanted to take a trip to Europe for the first time ever. Why? Because he's never been anywhere in his life. So Johnny takes a trip to Europe with $1,000, right? Because that's all he has, $1,000. So Johnny lands in Europe with $1,000, and he has to exchange 1,000 US dollars for 1,000 euros because we can't spend US dollars in Europe, right? So let's just say Johnny, he goes out and he's exploring Europe for the first time, and he's having a great time. He's partying, drinking, but this whole time he doesn't have to spend any money. He's just swiping his card. He didn't use no cash, right? So he still has that $1,000 that he exchanged from the exchange booth, right? So a week goes by, Johnny still didn't spend no money, had a great time in Europe, and now it's time for him to fly back home to the US. When he gets back to the US, he has to exchange those 1,000 euros back into US dollars, right? He goes to the foreign exchange booth, and the lady gives him back $1,500, and he's looking at the lady at the booth like, hey, why'd you give me back $1,500? Well, it's because he made money on an exchange rate. While he traveled, the value of the euro dollar raised. That's foreign exchange, right? That's Forex. So people are able to make money by exchanging their currencies at different times, right? So we are able to do this on our phone, laptop, and tablet. So now this has become the fastest way to make money in the world. People are making hundreds in minutes, seconds, and hours. So this is treated sort of like a secret. I don't know why. Maybe they don't want people to make money in the world. But when you search up how to make money online, Forex never comes up. Usually it's the typical drop shipping, make a website, blog, start an ATM. I don't know. Just dumb stuff like this, when this is the fastest way to make money in the world. Now, it is a skill, right? Nothing comes easy. We look at these charts on TradingView so we can see the exchange rates going up and down, and we can decide when we want to place buy and sell trades so we make money on these exchange rates. Isn't it just a little bit crazy to you how in 2021, Google's still telling you the fastest way to make money online is to start a dropshipping store when the fastest way to make money online is to trade Forex on the MetaTrader 4 app, right? They're still telling you guys to invest in stocks. Let me tell you guys, Forex is 10 times bigger than stocks. It's a $14 trillion market. 10 times bigger. There's way more money in Forex and way faster money in Forex than there is in stocks. Stocks, you got to invest in a company share and, wait for your profits for good profits, at least for years, right? In Forex, you can have a very little investment. I've seen people turn $10 into hundreds and thousands. So the power of Forex is just crazy. You can literally go from broke to rich by mastering this skill. I don't know why people aren't telling you this, but if you didn't know, now you know.